Hi, so I have a fringe now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I feel like I haven't filmed in ages, probably because I haven't. So basically, I was having a breakdown. I hated my forehead. I've never had a fringe before. I've never had bangs before. I've had like a side fringe, but I've never had a full fringe. I'm not sure about it, honestly. Oh, it's all right, Violet. I just received a package and I saw my postie, and he usually wears a hat, especially if it's the winter, and you've got a little wintry one on. Oh, he's so cute. What is this? Oh, it's from Kira. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Oh, what a babe. Yo, I'm so glad I opened this on camera. So, my friend Kira, she is a makeup artist. She does makeup on Instagram. She sent me lashes and brushes from her brand by Kira B. So she has lashes, she has brushes, and she has a new palette out as well. The palette looks amazing. I might have to order it, honestly. Oh my god, I'm so gonna wear a pair of these today. Speaking of my friends, shout out to Georgie. His username is @Georgie on Instagram, and we've been pretty good friends for a while now. And he's come out with his own brand, Georgie Cosmetics. This is his first product, No Tea All Shade. It's so good. I was gonna do a video on it, but then I just wanted to use it, so I used it in a Halloween look. It's on my Instagram. It's the pumpkin one. So yeah, these are really pigmented and beautiful, so I'm really proud of Georgie. So today we have a smaller brand, actually. I have used a lot of their stuff before, really love them. This is Sample Beauty, the Equalizer palette. So they've had quite a few palettes, like colourful palettes. I love them. This is a palette with 50% matte and 50% corresponding shimmers / mattes with sparkling reflex. I actually have an affiliate link and a discount code, so I will earn a bit of commission if you do use this, but honestly, I don't think anyone will, but it means a lot if you do, and it will save you money anyway. So I'll leave the link down below if you want to go use that. You can, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. And then the discount code is ALICEKINGMAKEUP, so just my Instagram name. I think the discount code can be used on any products. So they have loads of products. I love their pigments. Anyway, this is the new Equalizer palette. This is what it looks like inside. So there are basically all the shades of the rainbow and everything in between. What's really cool about this palette is that the corresponding shades have like corresponding names. So rubber, duck, tequila, lime, and then cuppa tea. So it goes duh, 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 and then the two in the middle. So touch base, cocoa bean, hocus pocus, gin, tonic. So I think that's really cool, and I've never seen that before. So I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the shade 02. I'm going to take the shade Hocus, and I'm going to pack that on my outer corner. Oh yeah, that's like my hair colour. We love that. And the shade is really nice and pigmented. Brush is really nice and soft, and the pigment is nice on this purple shade. I'm just gonna slightly blend out those edges. I'm gonna take another brush from Kira. It's the smaller, like little blending brush. I don't know how I'm gonna transition these, but I'm gonna take the shade Vitamin, which is the orange shade. I'm gonna pack that a little bit on and a little bit above that purple shade. That orange packed on nicely, and now I'm gonna take just a little bit more of the purple and attempt to blend that out. Now I'm just going to blend out that orange. I'm going to touch that up a little bit in a minute, but I'm going to go on to the green. I'm going to take a little bit of grass, pack that in the inner part of my crease. I don't want much of the dark shade, but it's just to deepen it a little bit. Now I'm going to take the shade Tequila, which is like a lime green, and I'm going to blend and pack that above. Now I'm going to half cut my crease just with a bit more base. I'm going to take my trusty Huda Beauty Fender blender and I'm going to take the shade Pocus, which is the shimmery purple. And I'm going to pack that on the outer corner of the half cut crease. Then I'm going to take C, which is the other half of vitamin C, and I'm going to put that next. Now I'm going to go in with Lime, which is a matte, but it's got glitter in it. And I'm going to put that on the inner part of my half cut crease. I do wish this shade was really shimmery, like an actual shimmer, but it's not, so I'm not too happy with that shade, to be honest. In my last video I found the lime green not to be very good either. I think lime greens are hard to make. Yeah, and also it's going a little bit patchy here. I think that's because I've been layering it up a lot, so it's just kind of gone a bit dry. But obviously blending purple into orange isn't the best thing to do, but could have gone worse, to be honest. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that for now. I'm going to go do my base off camera and then come back and tell you my full opinions and stuff. So yeah, see you in a minute when hopefully my fringe looks a bit better. So I'm going to use the shade Tonic, which is just a shimmery white on my inner corner. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm not happy with how this is turning out, but I'm going to put on some lashes and maybe I'll like it a bit better. I'm going to use these lashes by Kira B. They're in the style Pretty. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm not loving it, to be honest. My lipstick didn't go well, my face makeup hasn't gone well. What the hell is that? Like, one thing I do really love are these lashes. They're so pretty, and I know these are going to be some that I use a lot. So thank you so much, Kira. I absolutely love them, and congratulations on everything. You're amazing. I think, honestly, I just used the wrong shades together. The greens blended out fine together, and the, like, colours on their own are pretty good, but the, blending the purple into the orange was a bad idea. That's my fault entirely, but yeah, it's only £30, which I think is a really, really good price. The shimmers that are really shimmery are nice. I like that you basically have everything you need. I mean, there are a few shades that I would add personally, like a matte red, because the reds are both shimmery a little bit, and a deeper orange and a more brighter yellow maybe. Other than that, it has a lot of different shades, and I think if you're wanting to try some new shades out and stuff, and you want a shimmer shade that corresponds to your matte shade, then this is a good idea. I do wish they did do complete shimmers and complete mattes instead of like some mattes with glitter in, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm looking forward to try the other shades. I think they might be better than what I used today because I just did the wrong combo, to be honest. If you don't already have many colourful palettes, or you don't have those sort of shades, then I do suggest getting it. But otherwise, if you have a colourful palette, my fringe is annoying me. Anyway, yeah, I will try it out again and use the other shades and probably do some looks on Instagram. So if you want to see those, go check out my Instagram. It's ALICEKINGMAKEUP. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. It would really, really mean a lot. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.